Hello YouTubers, how are you? Hello everyone. Today I have a new present for me. Today is Christmas Day, and Santa Claus or Father Christmas or Christmas was especially good for me, or to me. Little technical data or data. That's box opening of the Russian guy. So I'm gonna go quickly through this. As quickly as I can. Okay, protection on the wings. That's everything. And you have here the guns, if you wanna to put the guns. Okay. And as usual, we do have some manuals, and that's about it. Put the box away. This away. Manuals. So, small pieces, the guns. That's the thing. It's already assembled, right? It's nice. When I see it first time, I didn't want to buy it, but after a year and a half, it wasn't on sale. This one was not on sale, but I decided to buy it because a couple of years ago I got this one in May 2015, right? And originally I bought it for my son because I have one, and I crashed it, so this is broken. And I bought another one for my son Albert, and this one was never flown, right? So just want to see the comparison between these two wings, right? Both of them, as you can see, they have swept wings, of course. This one has a different tail section, and both of them, they have a same unit, 28 millimeter or 30 millimeter EDF, electric ducted fan. But this one has a different habu, has a different inlets on the side. Look like this, and compare both of them. Move back so you can see both of them, right? So you want to compare the sizes. Yeah. And like this, you see the difference. This one has a different inlet, and outside is different. So this one flies really nice, but this one is also nice because I just wanted to have, I don't have any, I guess it goes here, something like that. Now maybe big one comes down. Actually, they don't suggest putting that because if you land on the ground, it might catch the grass or something, and then of course it's gonna be more damage. Than it's only for the look, for the scales, right? The guns look small. The scale. They both go with the same battery type. Let's show this. And I would like to do the weighing it, because according to the manuals, I downloaded the manuals, online manuals. Fan motor, original part, updated components. So that's a just addition to the manuals. Yeah, according to the manual, it says here, see, you can see, it says 86 to 93 grams, which is okay. But on the box it says differently. On the box itself is different. It says 77.5 gram. So let's find out what's correct. You stay there. So without the battery, it is nothing touching, 66, and with battery, I guess it's 84 grams. 66, 84 grams, and one battery is only 17 grams. The other one is 16. And Habu is 60. So Habu is 60 and MiG-15 is 67. So they're very, very similar planes. Actually, this one doesn't have undercarriage installed. So basically they are very, very same models. Just a second. I wanted to measure something else. Actually, I wanted to measure the thrust. I'm gonna quickly go system setup and go add new model, create. I'm not gonna bother with the name. Flight mode 1. Just gonna go quickly with binding this guy here. They hide the battery, I see inside. Battery connection. So I'm gonna go into the binding mode. By the way, it uses the battery 2S74 280 milliamps. Recommended. Let's see, system. Bind.
Binding. DSMX 22 milliseconds. Telemetry. Bind complete.
Bind complete. Okay, we're gonna take it off. Or turn it off. And then we're gonna do it again. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we didn't set up anything, so I just wanted to measure something which is called thrust. So now that when we know what's the weight of the airplane, right? As 84, right? 83, 84. Now if you do that, if you do the motor thing, we can measure what the thrust it produces. So 83, 84, maximum thrust. It doesn't show any difference. It's impossible, it doesn't make any thrust, right? It doesn't go that way, right? I was hoping that we can measure the thrust. Clearly you can see this. But if you want to measure the thrust, it doesn't go like that, I guess. I was expecting just to see the difference on the scale. But actually it doesn't work, it's not so easy. Yeah. 85. It's gonna move, but it should. 85. 89. Okay, maybe if you go up like I like this, from this direction if you can take it, and then when you go 85 maximum thrust. That's kind of funny. I was hoping really, but it doesn't work that way, right? To get it on the camera. 84. 95. Okay. No, 85. I don't understand. Anyway, it's pretty strong. So right, left, right, left, right, left. Up, down. Rudder. And of course it has a steerable rudder. So that doesn't work that the way I expect it to work. But I cannot do the maiden, but I can show you a little of this. So, moving. And the rudder moves. And the front one. So, right, left. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. Just like how it looks. Very nice, right? I like this. And it's a classic. I mean, it's I wanted to say it's a scale model. It's not model just for flying, it's an existing model, like a Habu guy. This is just annoying, but that's the way how it flies. Okay, that's enough. Now I want to explain it. And I want to do different, because that's the only model which I had before, EDF. I just bought this one because I liked the option of having EDF, a different EDF model, and also scale one, a real one, existing one. Plus, this one is really interesting, doesn't have a pointy nose, so if it goes down, it's not gonna go easy like that. One down. And also it leaves the experimenting, like this one too, but leaves the option for eventually, I'm not gonna do it, but eventually if I crash it, then I'm gonna remove the tail, and then you can have a flying wing. Just a wing, right? Short wing. But no, my wife is saying no, don't ruin it, don't ruin it. But it looks really nice. This one has a more delta wing, right? Basically more surface, with the same weight. And they're different. But yeah. Well, I must admit I am disappointed because I wanted to measure this. I didn't try it before. Obviously I wasn't prepared. But anyway, I'm gonna try to make it better with additional stuff in this video. I'm gonna show evolution of the electronics. So this is my old remote, actually receiver, not remote, receiver, which had the big antenna, and you had to make sure that you pull that antenna all the way to the tail of the glider, and I can measure this one at least. So yeah, that's the old one. It's not even that old, but it's pretty old. See, 17 grams, that's a lot. Plus this Schaumstoff, that's 1 gram. then evolution shows how it went. So it went like this, 10 gram, right? With the antennas, smaller antennas, but still antennas, right? Then even smaller antenna, right? Like this 6 channel, we're talking about 6 channel, right? 8 grams, 7 grams. Even this one, 4 grams, look at that one, 4 grams, but that's a park flyer. We're talking about the full range transmission, the receivers, right? Then the 6 channel, this one, these two guys, they don't have antennas in, they have antennas inside, but they don't have like hanging outside antennas like these guys. So this is 6 channel, 7, and the 4 channels should be also 7, but actually it's more 6. I think it's a little bit out of alignment because obviously that's the new one. I got it today from Amazon and it shows 6 or 5, but actually it's 7. So, and that's the dimensions. What I like this one, and I tried this one because I bought first this one, but it's 6 channel, right? Compared to my fingers, which are kind of normal, not too small, my thumb, so not too big. It's the size of my thumb, right? And smaller. And it's a full range transmitter for 7 grams, right? And this one is like 8 grams. But the thing is, the evolution shows electronic is really shrinking, and we have an option of using it. This is the latest what I have, and plus that's the telemetry, right? If you're close enough, you can get the information if you have the right radio for the voltage, the receiver voltage and everything. Look at the size of it. This is really amazing. Plus, it's not just alone by itself, the weight of the receiver, but you have a protection. It's a box, plastic box, which protects it from the impact and everything, and it has a bind button. So you just press and hold it, and it goes into the bind mode, and then you bind it with the radio, so you don't have to plug any more of these guys. And no visible antennas. I think it's great. I think it's really great. So I just wanted, because in my glider, the glider I don't need 6 channel, and I don't have I have an elevator, and the side rudder I don't have ailerons, so I don't wanna. It's not big. I don't wanna use like 2 grams extra. It's not much saving, but if you don't have to, you don't have to. Plus it's a little bit thinner and smaller, longer, but still smaller than this one. And the price difference is really nothing. Like this is like $10. This is 60 bucks, this is 50 bucks. So I generally recommend buying 6 channel over 4 channel, because it gives you can put it in helicopter or something else, but 4 channel is always limited, because for helicopters you need at least need a 5 channel or 6 channel or more. Yeah, that's about it. Again, I'm a little bit disappointed because I couldn't prove that the trust or šub, potisak na hrvatskom, or in German is šub, or English is trust, the push, air push. But I think I'm gonna love it. It's very compact, it's nice, and it's sturdy. Like this is like a very thin and very sensitive guy, but this one looks like very good. The size of the rudder and everything. Plus I never had, like I had a T or the cross one, but this is like a half cross tail. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.